treat that we're making in honor of Valentine's Day again.
And cookies are still ready, so we are doing everything.
Okay. So the next thing we're going to make is heart cake pops. Now, I know, we're gonna do one part of it first so that we can put it in the fridge and let it get hard. So we're gonna make that first part. Who wants to break up the pound cake and who wants to mix up the icing?
Me! I want to make up the icing.
Okay, we'll switch. So you'll do half of this and you'll do half of this, okay? All right. So, first things first is Mila is going to break up the pound cake. I just got a regular classic pound cake. Sarah Lee. And we're gonna break it up into little pieces. So just break it up with your hands and put it in here, okay?
We need to put it.
Next thing is this. Okay, we're gonna scoop out the icing.
Whoa. Ooh. That's good. Alrighty. Let's get little pieces.
You keep it in here for now. Just break off a piece and then break it up in here. Like little pieces. Just mash it up with your hands, okay? Alright. This.
Whoa.
Hold on.
Guys, it's a good. Cool. Mommy, I know how to do it.
Yes, I know you know, but I'm gonna do it for you now.
Almost done.
Okay, I got funfetti. And we got funfetti vanilla icing. Okay, pour it in there.
Okay. A lot? Do
You
I
can pour
want?
it out. Don't eat it. Now you're gonna mash up the cake. Break off a piece of it and then mash it up. Okay,
Full coloring.
mash it up. You gotta mash up these pieces smaller than that, like that. Okay? Mash up those pieces.
I love that.
No, pick it up just like how I was doing and mix it, do it. Okay, now I'm gonna put some red food coloring in the icing. Make it a little pink.
So guys,
Ooh, like 3 drops.
we are making everything so we can match up it. So then
And then I'm gonna put foil in the base of the pan.
And then mommy is gonna make foil in the pan.
Oh,
Mommy, look,
so I can
it's
easily lift
pretty.
it out after.
So
Very
mommy
pretty.
can lift it out after. Mommy, look quick.
Good job, you're doing good. Oh, it's pink. So pretty.
So pretty, Mila.
See guys?
It's pink.
Look at the pink. Ooh.
It's so pretty. Mommy, I'm doing good.
You are.
So we're excited.
Look at the color.
It's so pretty and beautiful. Mommy, you can have it now. Mommy,
And the pound cake.
whoa. Mommy, I want to do it. Wait a
I get to do this part.
minute. Yeah. Because it's a lot. I can love this. And we did see very well. Because we are gone. Maybe let me see if we have a
Don't put the floor there. Oh my gosh, kids will never keep your house clean.
Mommy, can I lick some of this?
Sure.
Can I lick some of this?
No. One lick. And that's it. One lick each. So this is the texture it should be. Like just kind of sticky together. Everything mixed in together. Lay it out here. I think that's enough.
Yum, yum, yum.
I'm gonna lay it out here. And this pan.
Can I have a little piece, Mommy?
Not yet. We're gonna make it into cake pops.
Okay. Like a kind of little shepherd. I'm going to take some of that. And I'll take both.
So it looks just smoothed out, and now I'm gonna put it in the fridge for like 20 minutes or so. Girls, you'll need to eat first.
We got this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. When there's complications, you withdraw and leave
Okay,
me.
so we are back with our heart cake pops. We mixed up the pound cake and the icing sugar all together, and we had it in the fridge for like probably 30-40 minutes now. And we're gonna take it out, and I need this white chocolate. This is the only white chocolate that I could find, so hopefully this melts good enough to pour over it. So we'll see how that goes.
There you go.
So that's how it turned out.
No, we're not leaving it. Mommy, look.
Let it go. Okay.
Okay, guys.
All right.
So this is my place to do it.
Give me the cutter.
Cookie cutter. Mine for mine. It's stuck. My cookie cutter.
Tip number 1 is, if you can,
Give me. What?
try to use this type of paper. You have to throw off me.
You want to bite, Mommy? You want to bite?
Hold on, I'll give you all a piece. Hold on. Okay, so I'm getting creative because I didn't find sticks anywhere. And I'm going to stick forks in it at the bottom.
My heart! It's gonna ruin.
We're waiting for the chocolate to melt. I mixed in a little bit of butter with the chocolate. So far, I think it came out pretty good. So this is how the hearts look on my little,
Can I eat it, Mommy?
on my little random forks or sticks. And then we're gonna cover it with chocolate. See how that turns out.
1, 2, 3. You have to listen to this. No. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I know what it is. It's chocolate. Yeah. Pretty purple.
We'll do pink
Whoa.
in honor of.
That is a silly eye. You want to do this?
That's how the food coloring, the icing turned out. So, no, it has to freeze after
I
that.
like pink pop. Whoa. How can it do that?
Ooh,
It's better than it. What happened?
I feel like it's supposed to freeze. Oh, it's falling.
Mommy, you can put the spoon in the freezer.
Yeah, I think this needs to cool off a little more. Be cooler. But that would be pretty. Let's see if I could do all. I'm gonna freeze it for longer. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the hearts in for longer because I need it to be a little harder to deal with it, so it sticks together. Because when I try to dip it in the when I try icing,
and the icing so it could be so hot.
when I try to dip it in the icing, it's falling apart. So I'm gonna put it in for longer and we'll be back. All right. Watch out, Mila.
Cake pop.
Okay, that's what it looks like.
It's so hard. It's so hard.
Ah, this is what I'm talking about, yes. Okay, look how cute that is.
Yeah. Oh, it's hard. It's so yummy. It's so yummy. I really want to eat that now. I think I want to. My mouth is watering.
Ooh, look how they turned out. That's how they turned out. Ooh. So cute. Okay, while those ones are cooling, we'll try this one. So here, let's cut it in pieces. Oh, you're gonna be nice for that. Bianca.
It's so cold.
Conversation, and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall.
Taste that. Tell me how it tastes.
It's a free fall.
Good?
Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you?
Good.
So guys, So guys, we did a great job on this. And we did everything. We did making the difference, and then we worked on our traveling, and then the dumb, and then they're cold now. So guys, goodbye.